3Dvenue CMS AI.
Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use 3Dvenue CMS AI. You can use OpenAI, Gemini, or Claude for this. If you don't already have an API key, make sure to get one ready beforehand. I know some of you might be worried about token costs, but since we're not generating images or piling up a bunch of unnecessary data, each site should come together for just a few dollars. Just choose the AI you want to use, enter your API key, and click Set. That's it, you're ready to go. Let's start with the color settings. Go ahead and register your logo and brand colors. Just fill in your site name, industry, the purpose of your site, your target audience, the services you offer, and what makes you unique. Then add the minimum menu items you'll need. This screen shows up while the AI is working hard for you. The ship has sailed. So go grab a cup of tea or hit the bathroom. It's out of our hands now. And we're done. Next up is your site color settings. Once you've picked a template, just click Generate Color. Working with AI always means it's tea time. Well, your site colors are ready. You can try these as many times as you like, though there's no guarantee you'll land on a color you love. Personally, I'd probably just tweak it directly in the CMS afterwards. Next up is navigation. Based on the structure info, the AI suggests what it thinks your site needs. You can click each suggestion to read a quick overview, and honestly, this is where you start thinking, wow, AI really is something. You'll be glad you waited. No human could put together a structure like this in just a few minutes. This is where the waiting starts turning into anticipation. That's honestly how I felt while I was developing this. Okay, navigation's done. I think it turned out pretty well. This drop-down's a bit hard to read though. We'll fix that in the next update. And now, it's finally time for the AI to generate the page content. Based on the description the AI creates, we build out each page one at a time. You can regenerate this content too. Once you see what's been created, if you feel something's unnecessary or missing, you can rewrite the description, and that description works as your prompt. The final polish happens after sending everything to the CMS, where a human takes their time to refine it. That's how the AI is meant to be used in the CMS. I skipped over some parts here, but if you go through this without redoing anything, it usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get to this point. If a person did this by hand, even rushing, 2 days? Yum. Oh my MIT license. No start over. But the start over in the CMS, that one actually works. If you ever want to start fresh, just hit it and you'll be back to square one. And once you're ready to finish things off in the CMS, just click CMS Export. No AI needed at this point, so it's done in an instant. This is the CMS editor screen. I packed in so much of what I wanted to build that the AI called it crazy. Excuse me? Look who's talking. My CMS is compact size. The display size adjustment lets you see the whole layout at once, and the preview shows roughly how it will look live. Next, I'd like to actually measure this using PageSpeed Insights. But wow, it's fast. Really fast. You barely even notice the page has switched. Alright, let's actually run this through PageSpeed Insights. I'm a little nervous honestly. So, how'd it go? All 100 on mobile. I'm thrilled. And let's not forget, this is a site the AI built. So how about desktop? Close but not quite. Yeah? That's fine. Easy fix. I'll cover how to score high on PageSpeed Insights in a future video. It should help boost your SEO ranking too. Stay tuned. On this channel, I won't just be covering 3Dvenue CMS. I'll also be sharing some of the pro-level tricks for building websites that most people never hear about. If that sounds interesting, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.